Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. In the last video, I was working on the navigation bar part of sheets available.php file, and that was also completed. So in this video, we will move to the next section, and the next section will be I will try to display the corresponding the name of bus with their boarding station and destination station and others details as per our requirement as the user click on the corresponding bus details from the search bus.php. Okay, and the output will be as same as showing here. So come to Salam text editor and we will provide some coding here. Follow me from line number 120. Okay, inside this div tag with the class attribute having the value jumbotron, there will be another div tag with the class attribute container. You can also provide this container class inside this class of div attribute available on line number 120. There is no need to add another class, another div tag. Okay, but for simplicity we are providing a separate div tag for the separate class called container. So inside this div tag we will have class p4 inside a class attribute bginfo rounded top rounded bottom and text light font weight bold. Okay, inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value row. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute column 12, column small 6, column medium 6 and column large 6. Column 12, column medium 6, column large 6 and column small 6. So inside this div tag we will have bus name as a content. Now copy this line of code from 123 to 125 and paste just below it, and here the content will be the PHP variable, okay, which will give us output as bus name. So opening a PHP tag with echo to show the variable that are written here, that is bus name. Okay, here the bus name will be stored from the bus name variable using the PHP code with the echo. Okay, so no need to declare single statement one by each and every time, because we have already discussed about that. So moving to the next, after this div tag copy this another div tag and again, and for this time the content will be boarding station. And in the same way the value will be in the form of PHP variable that will be displayed using echo statement of PHP. Boarding station, PHP tag closed. Now come to below, and this time there will be destination station. Destination station, and in the same way copy the above div tag just below it and change the content as the PHP variable destination station. Now copy this line of code from here and paste just below it, and this time the content will be duration, and here also duration. Again copy paste, and this time seats available, and here seats available PHP variable. Okay, now again copy paste, this time rating. rating. Okay, let me check other variables that are going to be displayed here. Duration is over, destination over, boarding station over. Okay, fare and only fare is left to be displayed. So for this, copy this line of code and paste just below this, and the content will be fare or the price of the bus for a single person. Now save it and first see the output. Yes, that's good. Now we have completed our detailed part of the corresponding bus, that is as same as our sample project. So this is it. Now we will cover the city management part in the next video. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.